Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use this neon green Paracord 550, also this blue one 550. The full tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box and the comment section. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, also check the information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. Let me just zoom a bit. From here we're gonna insert our neon green into our bracelet core. So from the back, pull it between the cow's hitches, and now from the top also between the cow's hitches. Then take the ends of a strand and pull them together so we'll have the equal length from the both sides, left and right. So from here we're gonna start. Take the right side blue paracord and simply make the wrap around the bracelet core. From here take your neon green and make it around the blue strand or wrap it around, and from the back through the loop. Now we're gonna tie this on the one side, from here take the left side blue, wrap it around and to the back. Now take the left side neon green, wrap it around the blue strands and from the back through the loop. Now cinch it. Then we're gonna take our right side blue and we're gonna simply wrap it around the bracelet core. Here we're gonna skip the part with the neon green, so only the blue strand. Now take the left side blue as well, wrap it around the bracelet core, and here we're gonna skip the left side neon green. Now from here we're gonna take our right side blue again and we're gonna wrap it around the bracelet core. But now we're gonna take our neon green, wrap it around the blue, and we're gonna return it from the back closer to the bracelet core and pull it through. Now take the left side blue and also wrap it from the top around the bracelet core. Then take the neon green, wrap it around the blue and return it from the back through the loop but closer to the bracelet core. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!